Hello students, I am Sari sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of class 3 subject grammar. Today's thought is education is the movement from darkness to light. Means if you are educated, if you get education, then you can turn the darkness into light. The knowledge that you don't have, you can get that knowledge and you can update yourself. The instructions for today: eat healthy food, drink plenty of water, limit television and computer use, do not use television and computer so much, be active for at least 1 hour a day, means do running, walking for 1 hour, clean your teeth at least 2 times in a day, in the morning and at night, be kind to yourself and to others. In our today's video, we will continue with chapter number 14, degrees of adjectives. We have to complete exercise number 3 and exercise number 4 in the chapter. Then we will continue with the worksheets. So let us begin. So in our previous video, we had started with degrees of adjectives, textual exercise. We had learnt the concept of positive, comparative and superlative degree. Like we had seen the example tall, taller, tallest. Then we had understood why do we use these words: tall for one person, taller for comparison between two, and the tallest for comparison between three. So that is called positive, comparative and superlative degree. Then we had seen some examples like fast, faster, fastest, great, greater, greatest, simple, simpler, simplest, large, larger, largest. After that we had seen the examples fat, fatter, fattest, sad, sadder, saddest, happy, happier, happiest, lazy, lazier, laziest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking. Then we had done exercise 1. Complete the table. Let us recall the answers: great, greater, greatest, fast, faster, fastest, hot, hotter, hottest, big, bigger, biggest, wide, wider, widest, happy, happier, happiest, lazy, lazier, laziest, light, lighter, lightest. Then we had solved exercise number 2. Remember, Anil is taller than Mukesh. Anju has dash hair than Ishita. So Anju has shorter hair. The yellow car is bigger than the red car. Suraj is shorter than Prakash. The rat's tail is smaller than mule's tail. Now, today we shall continue with exercise number 3. The exercise of the textbook it is. Let us solve this textual exercise, and you need to write answers in your rough book as you always write. So, the heading of the exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives in the brackets. Adjectives are given in the bracket. You have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives. Let us read number 1. The mango is dash of all the fruits. The mango is dash of all fruits. See here, in bracket it is given sweet. But remember that before the blank we are using article the. Before the blank we use article the. So that is superlative degree. With the we always write superlative degree. So sweet, sweeter, the sweetest. See, I am writing the answer. The spelling SWEETEST, sweetest. The mango is the sweetest of all the fruits. Sweetest, EST. We are comparing mango with all the fruits. So it is superlative degree. Number 2. This side of pool is dash, then that side. We are comparing two. we are comparing this side and we are comparing that side. So, what is it? It is comparative degree, as we are comparing two sides of the pool. You know swimming pool, you might have seen swimming pool in which we can swim, we can take bath, we can play. That is swimming pool. So here we are comparing two sides, this side and that side, means comparison between two. That is called comparative degree. Now, what is comparative degree for deep? The three degrees are deep, deeper and the deepest. So here comparative degree is deeper. See, I am writing the spelling. Write it please. D-E-E-P-E-R. You just have to add ER. Deeper. Deep, deeper, deepest. So here it is comparative. As I said, two sides are compared, only two. So this side of the pool is deeper than that side. Number 3. She is the dash girl I have met. She is the dash girl I have met. In bracket it is given naughty. But again, it is very easy for you to write the answer, because what is given before the blank? The. Article the is given just like this question. So we wrote superlative degree. Same way here also article the is given. So you will write superlative degree. Do you know what is the superlative degree for naughty? Naughty, naughtier and the naughtiest. Right? So I am writing the answer. Write the correct spelling. Be careful when you write the answer. Your spelling should be correct. N-A-U-G-H-T-I-E-S-T. Naughtiest. See, she is the naughtiest girl I have met. See the spelling? N-A-U-G-H-T-I-E-S-T. Naughtiest. Here G is silent. I have met so many girls. From that, I am talking about only one girl. So this is comparison between more than two. Means so many are compared over here. So many. So it is superlative degree. The naughtiest. Because here it is Y. So we remove Y and we add I-E-S-T. Right? Here we just add E-S-T. Here we just add E-R. Number 4. Ashok is a dash boy. Now here you have to notice that we are talking about only one boy. And that boy is Ashok. So when we are talking about any one person, place or thing, it is positive degree. Which kind of degree? Positive. So the answer will be same. That is smart. S-M-A-R-T. Smart. Ashok is a smart boy. Ashok is a smart boy. We are just talking about one boy, that is Ashok. Ashok is a smart boy. We are not comparing him with anyone else. We are just talking about one boy. So positive degree of smart is the word smart itself. Do write the answers of all the blanks along with me. Then blank number 5. The blue box is dash than the red one. Now, you have to decide how many things are compared over here. See, we are talking about blue box and we are talking about red box. So, how many boxes are there? 2 boxes, blue and red. Means, you are doing comparison between 2. How many things you are comparing? 2 things. One is blue box and one is red box. So when you are comparing 2 things, it is comparative degree. Here it is given heavy. So do you know the 3 degrees of this word? Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. But here it is comparative degree. The second one, heavier. So we will write that answer. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier. Heavier, heavier. Why do we write IER? Because here it is given Y. We remove Y and we add IER. Here it is than because we are doing comparison. Blue box and red box are compared. The blue box is heavier than the red one. Next, number 6. This is a dash picture. This is a dash picture. How many pictures are there? Only one picture. See, here it is given a picture. Means only one picture. We are not comparing two things or three. We are just talking about one picture. So that means it is positive degree. And for positive degree, we write the same word which is given in the bracket. Pretty. So I am writing it PRETTY. 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 Now just for your knowledge, do you know the 3 degrees of this word? Pretty, prettier, prettiest. But here it is only one picture. This is a pretty picture. We are not comparing the picture with any other picture. We are just talking about one. So a pretty picture. Then number 7. The last sum is the dash 1 in the test. The last sum. So in bracket it is given easy. But how many things are compared over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, or how many things are compared? See, in the test it is given. So in the test, suppose it is the test of maths. There are so many sums, right? There can be 10 sums, 20 sums, so many sums can be there in the test. So here it is superlative degree. Because we are comparing the last sum with all other sums. Suppose, for example, let us say there are 10 sums in the test. For example, there are 10 sums. So last sum means the 10th one is dash. So we are comparing the 10th sum with the first 9 sums. Means it is more than 1. How many? More than 1. So it is superlative degree, more than 2 actually. Not more than 1 but more than 2. So it is a superlative degree question. So what is the superlative degree for easy? Easy, easier, and the easiest. See, already before the blank article the is given. So when you see article the before the blank means you don't have to think about anything else. Just write the superlative degree for this word given. So answer EASIEST. 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 The last sum is the easiest one in the test. Easiest. Then the next one, 8. Ravi is the dash boy in the class. Ravi is the dash boy in the class. In bracket it is given intelligent. Intelligent is given. So this is the word with more than 2 syllables. See, I, E, again there are more than 2 syllables. So we have to add more and most in this type of word. We cannot add ER or EST. We have to add more and most. But first you have to check whether it is positive, comparative or superlative degree. Now we are talking about one boy, Ravi, but we are comparing him with the whole class. Suppose there are 25 boys in the class, for example. So we are comparing Ravi with the other 24 boys. From the 25, Ravi is 1 and the whole class, there are 24 boys. So we are comparing Ravi with more than 2 boys, right? More than 2 means it is again superlative degree. It is superlative degree because in the class there are so many boys, not 1 or 2. So we have to write superlative degree for this word. What should be the answer? MOST, most, INTELLIGENT, most intelligent. Ravi is the most intelligent boy in the class. Ravi is the most intelligent boy in the class. And also here you see the is given article the. That means you should know when article the is given, the answer is always superlative degree. Whenever article the is given, you should know that it is superlative degree. So here we completed exercise number 3. I hope you have written the answers of exercise number 3. Now moving ahead to the next exercise, the last exercise of the chapter. Exercise number 4. So read the heading of the exercise. Use the opposites of the underlined words, underlined adjectives, and rewrite these sentences without changing their meaning. Follow the example. So see, words are underlined over here. What do we have to do? We have to use the opposite words as it is given in the heading. We have to use the opposite words and write the answer. We have to rewrite, means we have to write the whole sentence again by using the opposite words. So you should know the opposites, like longer, what is the opposite, heavier, what is the opposite, that you should know. Example is given, see. The coconut tree is taller than the palm tree. So the palm tree is shorter than the coconut tree. Means we have to change the palm tree which is given at the end. It will come first. The coconut tree which is given first, it will come at the end. And what is the opposite of taller? It is shorter. We have to write opposite words. Taller, shorter. We have to interchange the names. Palm tree will come here. Coconut tree will go at the end. Like this we have to solve all the sentences. So let's begin. Number 1. My ruler is longer than yours. My ruler is longer than yours. So here you have to interchange. Your ruler will come here. My ruler will go at the end. And what is the opposite of longer? Opposite of longer is also shorter. So we will write the answer. See the answer how I am writing. Your, Y-O-U-R, your ruler is shorter, S-H-O-R-T-E-R. Your ruler is shorter than mine, M-I-N-E. Your ruler is shorter than mine. This is the answer, see. Your ruler is shorter than mine. I have used opposite. What is the opposite of longer? Opposite of longer is shorter. That is the opposite word I have used. Your ruler will come here and my ruler will go at the end. It becomes mine. Then let's see the next one. This chair is heavier than that. This chair is heavier than that. So we have to interchange. That chair will come here. This chair will go at the end. You have to interchange the names. And opposite of heavier is lighter. What is the opposite of heavier? Lighter. So we are writing the answers. That chair. See, I am just writing. You two have to write with me. That chair is lighter than T-H-A-N. That chair is lighter than this. That's it. This is the answer. That chair is lighter than this. Did you see that we used opposite word of heavier, that is lighter. Opposite of heavier is lighter. And we also interchanged. That chair is at the beginning and this chair goes at the end. Now number 3. The new lamp is brighter than the old one. So here two things are there. The new lamp and the old lamp. So the old lamp will come at the beginning of the sentence. The new lamp will go at the end of the sentence. And do you know the opposite of brighter? Brighter means full of light. So opposite of brighter is duller. D-U-L-L-E-R, duller. Opposite of brighter is duller. See now, I will write the answer. Do write the answers with me. The old lamp is duller. D-U-L-L-E-R. The old lamp is duller than the new one. The new one. The old lamp is duller than the new one. See, this is the answer. And I have used the opposite word of brighter, that is duller. We say sometimes it is bright and sometimes we say it is dull. So brighter and duller are opposites. The old lamp is at the beginning of the sentence. The new lamp, that is the new one, goes at the end of the sentence. Then next, the tea in the red cup is hotter than the one in the blue cup. So we are comparing two teas, the tea which is in the red cup and the tea which is in the blue cup. So the tea in the blue cup, that will come in the beginning, and the tea in the red cup, that will shift at the end of the sentence. And use the opposite of this. What is the opposite of hotter? Opposite of hotter is colder. Hot, cold, that is opposite. So hotter and colder are opposites. So let's write the answer. The tea in the blue cup. The tea in the blue cup is, now what is the opposite? C-O-L-D-E-R, colder than the one in the red cup. This is how you write the answer. See, the answer is over here. The tea in the blue cup is colder than the tea in the red cup. Now the opposite I have written of hotter. What is the opposite of hotter? Colder. That is the opposite. And you have to swipe the names. The blue cup will come in the beginning. The tea in the blue cup will come in the beginning. The tea in the red cup will go at the end. Then we have the next sentence, number 5. This road is wider than the main road. This road is wider than the main road. So the main road and this road, we have to interchange. The main road will come at the beginning of the sentence. This road will go at the end of the sentence. And do you know the opposite of wider is narrower? N-A-R-R-O-W-E-R, narrower. See the answer I am writing over here. I hope that all of you are writing the answers with me. The main road, because first we will write the main road. The main road is narrower, N-A-R-R-O-W-E-R. The main road is narrower than this road, R-O-A-D. The main road is narrower than this road. See, the answer is over here. Now, opposite of wider. What is the opposite of wider? Narrower. Remember the opposite words. Wider means there is a lot of space. Vehicles can pass through easily. Narrower means it is very short, it's very small. You cannot go easily with the big vehicles. Then we have F, that is 6. The old house was better than the new one. So two houses are compared, the old house and the new house. And what is the opposite of better? Opposite of better is worse. And the new house will come at the beginning. The old house will go at the end of the sentence. So this is how you will write the answer. The new house is worse, W-O-R-S-E. The new house is worse than the old one. The new house is worse than the old one. This is the answer. So we got the opposite of better, that is worse. What is the opposite of better? Worse. And the new house we wrote at the beginning, the old house went to the end of the sentence. After that, the water kept in a mud pot is colder than the water kept in a glass jug. So two waters are there, water kept in the mud pot and water kept in the glass jug. In the mud it is colder, but in the glass it is warmer. What is opposite of colder? Warm, warmer, warmer. So we will write the answer accordingly. What is the answer? See, I am writing it. Do write it and do not make any mistakes while you write the answer. The water kept in a glass jug, glass. The water kept in a glass jug is warmer, warmer, is warmer than the water kept in a mud pot, mud, is warmer than the water kept in the mud pot. So this is the answer. The water kept in the glass jug is warmer than the water kept in the mud pot. What is the opposite of colder? Warmer. You can also write hotter if you want. Opposite of cold is hot, but colder we can write opposite warmer also. Then next we have the silk gown is prettier than the cotton one. The silk gown is prettier than the cotton one. So the silk gown and the cotton gown. So cotton gown will come here, the silk gown will go at the end. And what is the opposite of prettier? It is uglier. uglier, uglier. So this is how you will write the answer. First you will write about the cotton. The cotton gown. What are we talking about? Gown, which girls wear, is uglier. The cotton gown is uglier than the silk one. The cotton gown is uglier than the silk one. So we have written opposite of prettier, that is uglier. Opposite of prettier is uglier. After that we have next, Ram is younger than his brother. So we are comparing two, Ram and his brother. So his brother will come at the beginning. Ram will go at the end of the sentence. What is the opposite of younger? It is older. Opposite of younger is older. So we will write his brother means Ram's brother. His brother is older than Ram. So R capital, as it is the name of a boy, it is a proper noun. So his brother is older than Ram. Opposite of younger is older, which I have written over here. Do mark that, underline that also. And the last sentence for the exercise and for today. These grapes are the sweetest than the apples. These grapes are sweeter than the apples, not sweetest, sweeter than the apples. So the grapes and the apples are compared. The apples will come at the beginning of the sentence. These grapes will go at the end of the sentence. Opposite of sweeter is bitter, but you can also write less sweet. This answer you can write this way. The apples, APPLES, the apples are less. The apples are less sweet than the grapes. The apples are less sweet than the grapes. So here we have written this answer, but do you know the opposite word which we have used? Instead of sweeter, we have written less sweet. So here we complete the exercise, the last exercise, that is exercise number 4. And in our today's video, we completed these two exercises. I hope you have written the answers of exercise number 3. Here it is. I am just showing you once again, and we have also completed exercise number 4. So I hope that you have written all the answers of chapter 14. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.